St. Andrew's Catholic Elementary School in Vancouver. Welcome to St. Andrews! My name is Joanna Nicolato, and I am blessed to be the principal of this wonderful and unique school. Our dedicated staff, with teachers, specialist teachers in PE, music, and learning assistants, and educational assistants, mentor and nurture our children to reach their full potential. We are proud of our dedication to academics, but also to our award-winning athletics program, as well as our co-curricular and extracurricular programs, which include a choir program, Readers Are Leaders, and Speech Arts, to name a few. Our after-school club is also appreciated by our working parents. But above all, we are a Catholic community. We celebrate our faith together through daily prayer, weekly masses, the Living Rosary, and more, while we are also welcoming to families of all faiths and backgrounds. Of course, our students are growing up in a technological world, and they benefit from learning about and through using technology such as iPads and Chromebooks. We also have a wonderful relationship with our parents, whom we consider our children's prime educators. But we also benefit from our relationship and being part of the St. Andrew's Parish community. There is so much more I could tell you about this amazing school, but I will leave it to our students, staff, parents, and alumni.
I've been here since kindergarten, and I've always looked forward to attending a new day of St. Andrews.
At St. Andrew's School, the teachers give lots of help to the students to ensure they do well in life. The teachers also make sure you get your work done.
At St. Andrew's School, the teachers are kind and caring. They help you with your academics and make sure you will do good in life.
The teachers here at St. Andrews make the school fun and safe for us all.
So one thing I love about St. Andrews is how everybody's welcoming, and also everybody is able to help each other, especially our teachers and our friends, even though we get stuck on questions and homework.
They make school safe and enjoyable, especially with all the kind-hearted teachers.
I like the teachers with gentle hearts, but my favorite teacher is our gym teacher. He has taught me a lot, and he's made me a very good athlete.
Looking forward to taking my sports skills to St. Pat's.
My favorite thing about going to school is going to my SLP Sassons.
I love St. Andrews because we have an excellent education, as well as our teachers who help excel and inspire our students.
The thing I like in St. Andrew's School is that our teachers do a lot of fun activities.
My favorite thing about St. Andrews is we get to have good friends and good teachers.
My favorite thing at school is to play outside and do what the teacher says.
My favorite thing about school is recess, library, and PE.
My favorite thing about school is recess.
Recess.
My favorite thing about school is recess.
I like St. Andrew's School because I can read a lot from the Bible.
My favorite thing in school is reading books.
My favorite thing about school is the library.
I like to write, draw, color, and help people do their homework.
I like playing sports, drawing, and that kind of stuff.
My thing about school is celebrating birthdays.
This school is like a community that is based off as a family. That's why I like St. Andrews.
And I just hope that you get to have the experience as well.